Good morning, my foodies. Today we're going to be making homemade ricotta cheese. It's so simple, so easy, and once you make it at home, you'll never buy it in the grocery store again. So let's get started. The ingredients that we're going to use today are as follows. We're going to start off with 1/2 gallon of whole milk, 1 pint of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So let's get started. In a heavy cast iron pot, we're going to combine the 1/2 gallon of milk, the 1 pint of heavy cream, and we are going to add in the salt. We're going to have this over medium heat, and we're going to bring this up to 210 degrees. So while our milk is coming up to temperature, we're going to take a metal bowl. You're going to get some form of a strainer or a colander that's going to fit right on top of the bowl, and we're going to line that with cheesecloth, because then we're going to strain out the curds and we're going to put it into this bowl once it's all ready. Okay, so we should be just right about there. So let's go ahead and take the temperature, see where we're at. We are at 203 degrees, 205. We're going to stop right there. We're going to turn off the heat. We are going to add in the lemon juice. You're going to stir this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to just let this sit and allow the curds to form. So as you can see, the curds are starting to form. So now I'm going to take this off the burner, get the bowl with the colander over, and we're going to strain this out. So now using a slotted spoon, I'm going to gently scoop out all these curds and put them into the cheesecloth. Now, you see the whey that is being left behind? We're not going to waste that either. We will save that whey that's left in the bottom of the bowl, in the bottom of the pot, and we will use that as a base for bread later that we're going to make in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and continue scooping out these curds, and then I'll show you what we have. So I went ahead and I scooped out all the curds, and all that's left is this liquidy whey that I'm going to put into it. I'm going to let it cool, put it in the refrigerator in a container, and use that as a basis for bread. And now let me show you the ricotta cheese that we've created. Here you can see the curds in the bowl, in the cheesecloth and the colander. We're going to let this sit for 2 hours on the counter to drain. Once it's drained, we'll put this into an airtight container, and it could store in the refrigerator for up to a week. So it's been about 2 hours. I had the ricotta draining in the cheesecloth. I just transferred it over to the bowl, and you can see how beautifully rich, creamy, look how sexy this is. You can serve this with fruit drizzled with honey. You can make a parfait with it. You could use it in your cannolis, ravioli filling, anything you want. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can see how simple and easy it is, and I do hope you make it soon. Talk to you later, guys.